Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add friends on Candy Crush Saga without Facebook. To add friends on Candy Crush Saga without Facebook, launch open the Candy Crush Saga application and make sure that you are logged in with your King account. Once you're signed in with your King account, go ahead and look for the Friends tab at the bottom of the screen. You will then be able to see this Find Your Friends option where you can easily tap the Add button right next to the friends that has been listed. The players with similar progress that matches yours will be listed on this page. Find the person you want to add as your friend and then tap on the Add button right next to them. You will then be able to send the friend request to the person. They will now need to accept your friend request and you will be able to be friends with these selected users. That is how you will be able to add friends on Candy Crush Saga without Facebook account. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.